Guys, Kaden here, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. So today I'll be coming to you with this Black Smokey Eye with a touch of glitter. So my wing liner will be glitter, gold glitter. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, then continue to watch. So at first, as you can see, I went ahead and I put down some some black gel liner, and it's a no brand gel liner. I just ordered it online. And after putting that down, I went into my Morphe 3502 palette and used that black shade to put on top, and then go in with a brown shade and use that to blend it out. So I'm just gonna go ahead, blend that Irish edge out, and then I'm going to go in with like a orange shade and use that also to make like that transition shade up into the brow bone. So as you can see, I'm just taking my time, blending and blending, ensuring that it is flawless. So before I add that glitter liner, I went in with my black gel liner from e.l.f. and I'm using that to create the wing first, and then I'm going to trace it with the NYX Gold glitter liner. So I went ahead and complete my next eye of camera and also add my lashes, and these are the Lily lashes in the style Miami. So now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my face. So first I add my Maybelline baby face, baby skin primer, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my foundation from Revlon. And yeah, and then I'm going to highlight, contour, and do all that good jazz. I'm now adding my highlighter from my It's My Riri palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm adding it to the eye spots of my cheek, tip of my nose, center of my nose, cupid's bow, and also my chin. And after adding my highlighter, I always love to go in with my foundation brush and use it to like buff it out, like to get rid of the harshness, to ensure that it's like well melted into the skin. So yeah, just watch and learn. So now I'm going to move on to my lips, and I'll just be doing like a nude lip. So I just went ahead, carve out my lips with a brown liner, and then I'm going to add the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in Bustier, and then I'm going to add some lip gloss to make it shiny.